In this video, we are going to discuss the properties of synapse. Properties of synapse is one of important area in central nervous system. Now, how to remember the properties of synapse? There are basically the 10 properties. First property is the convergence and divergence. That means convergence, the signal or information may carry or may receive from different neuron towards the one neuron. This is known as convergence. Divergence, second property, the information may receive from the one neuron to different neuron. I hope you understand it. What is the conversion? The information from the different neuron may receive to a one neuron. That is convergence. While what is diversion? The information from the one neuron may be transmitted to the different neuron. That is the diversion. This is the second property. Third property, synaptic delay. When the information is transmitted from the one neuron to the another neuron, there is required some time because there is happening a number of events. The information or action potential reaches at the presynaptic membrane, activation of the presynaptic membrane, entry of acetylcholine at the level of presynaptic membrane. By the exocytosis, it enters into the synaptic cleft, then it activates the postsynaptic potential. This requires some time. Hence, it is very important property, that is synaptic delay. Now, synaptic delay, that means the signal transmitting from the one synapse to another synapse requires some time. It requires about 0.5 millisecond. Third property is a one-way conduction. The conduction in the synapse is seen in a one line, that is known as one-way conduction. Next property is the site of fatigue. Now, due to repeated sending of information working, the synapse may undergo fatigue. Next property is it is more susceptible to hypoxia than nerve. Next is summation of response. That means there is seen a summation of the response that is generated by the synapse. Next property is occlusion and facilitation. And last property, very important, habituation and sensitization. The information when sending from the one synapse to another synapse, one synapse to another synapse, after some time it becomes habituate. It is adapted to that information. This is known as habituation. While the sensitization, when one signal is transmitted to another synapse, it sensitizes to the another neuron. It is one of important property, that is habituation and sensitization. I hope in a very simple way you remember these 10 properties. What are the 10 properties? First one, convergence. Second one, divergence. Third, synaptic delay. Fourth, one-way conduction. Sixth, fatigue. Seventh, hypoxia. That is, it is more susceptible to the hypoxia. 8, summation of response. 9, occlusion and facilitation. And 10, that is habituation and sensitization. This is just a summary I share with you in this video as the properties of synapse. I hope you understand this in a very simple way, how to remember these properties of synapse.